In this video I'm gonna show you how to use perspective tool in Snapseed. If you want to know about this tool, watch till end video. I took this image for example, you can understand very much. There are 4 tools available in perspective tool. Tilt, you can perspective vertical and horizontal. Rotate, you can rotate the photo in any angle. Scale, you can increase and decrease length and breadth of the image, also you can zoom in and zoom out. Free, you can perspective freely in any angle and it is more powerful comparing with these 3 tools. I'm using tilt to fix this image. You can see there are 2 arrows, one as horizontal direction and another as vertical direction. You can move image in 4 direction. Tap on image, move towards down like I'm doing. You can see corners of the image, it's automatically filling the extra part. I'm fixing the image straight in vertical stand. You can also move right side or left side. But I'm not doing that because this image is perfectly fixed. Tap on before and after, you can see image so much difference. And this is what I want. I'm gonna tap on the tick mark to save this settings. I want to crop this image in original size using the crop tool. This size enough, I'm gonna tap on tick mark. Long tap to see before and after. I did a shorts video on 3 tools in perspective in Snapseed. Given link in description, just watch the video if you are interested. Thanks for watching.